Hey, dude. It's your turn to look for stuff.
Yeah, fine, I got it.
Bro, I've been the one searching for the past 3 days. Don't act like you've got it hard. Oh my lord, Fort! What? Who did this to you? What? Why? Okay, yeah, but my friend... Don't come any closer. Oh. But I didn't shoot the mayor. No, it was a bit from a vid I saw earlier. Promise.
Stop! But he didn't do anything.
It's alright. And, sorry for attacking you. So, what's an officer like you doing around these parts? Yeah, dumb question. Officer? Shouldn't you take him to the hospital? Yeah, sure, what is it? That's horrible! Alright, got it, officer. Okay, well, thanks, Mr. Okay, thanks, Chief. Holy shit! Dude! We're rich! We're rich!